Today we are cooking Japanese rice. People use rice cooker to cook Japanese rice. However, here I'm going to use conventional oven top method, which is the traditional way of Japanese rice cooking. Cooking time is 15 minutes, which serves for two, and I use 1-quart pan. This is a Japanese rice dispenser. It has two settings, 150 grams and 300 grams. Today I'm using 150 gram size. I dispense it in the tray. And for demonstration purpose, let's measure the physical weight and volume of the rice. You don't need to do this every time you cook. I have a kitchen scale here to measure the weight. The weight is 152 grams, close to the dispenser weight. How about the volume? This is what we need to know, how much water we need to add in the rice. I have a measuring volume cylinder here. Put the rice in and let's see how much the volume is. It shows 170 milliliter and it is between 2/3 to 3/4 cup. I use the 170 milliliter, which is easier to use. Rice surface has a lot of starch, which makes the rice stickier when cooked, so wash well. Here, a chef washes rice 3 times with cold water. In Japan, before century, people used this rice wash water to wash hair because there was no soap available. In my country, in the Philippines, the third rice wash water is used for cooking vegetable, which makes it tastier. Rice needs to absorb water. This makes rice better taste and texture. I soak at least 1 hour at room temperature. Some Japanese restaurants do this for overnight in a refrigerator. I soak rice for an hour. Now time to remove the water. Transfer rice to mesh strainer, leaving for 5 minutes to drain excess water. For 1 cup rice, a chef used 1-quart pan. I add measured amount of water in this case 190 milliliter of water. The amount of water is the volume of rice plus 10 to 20% more water. Cover it. Glass cover is nice to see the rice, cooking. Heat the stove to medium low. My setting is number 4. Let's cook for 10 minutes. Now my clock shows 5:55, so cook until 6:05. Once you see the little water bubbling, it means water is almost absorbed by the rice and it's time to mix. At this point, rice is still hard, especially top portion. So remove the cover and mix well, flipping the rice from top to bottom. Then put back cover and turn off the heat. Keep the pan on the hot stove. Remaining heat will cook the rice evenly. Wait for 5 minutes. The rice is ready to serve and it yields 2 cups. Here's the Japanese rice, tasty, fluffy, and better texture. As you see here, if we use US measurement, 1 cup rice takes 1 cup and 2 tablespoons water. Cooking time is the same, but recommends using a larger pan. Thank you for watching.